Earnings. Earnings are the net benefits of a corporation's operation. Earnings is also the amount on which corporate tax is due. For an analysis of specific aspects of corporate operations, several more specific terms are used as EBIT, earnings before interest and taxes, and EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Many alternative terms for earnings are in common use, such as income and profit. These terms in turn have a variety of definitions, depending on their context and the objectives of the authors. For instance, the IRS uses the term profit to describe earnings, whereas for the corporation the profit it reports is the amount left after taxes are taken out. Many economic discussions use principles derived from Karl Marx and Adam Smith. However, the rise of the importance of intellectual capital affects such analyses. Routine earnings. Routine earnings or commodity-based earnings are those that can be achieved by application of assets that are those that can be achieved by any business that employs sufficient capital and manpower. These conditions are commonly assumed in economic analyses of profit. Non-routine earnings. The use of intellectual property generates non-routine profits. Those are often an order of magnitude greater than routine earnings. Non-routine profits are essential to warrant the high investments needed for high-technology industries. Earnings manipulation. Some statistical models, for example based on Benford's law or Benisham score, are used in order to detect possible earnings manipulations, fraud. Citations.